Hi, this is Dropship here today. Every day, I research and share the hottest new products to help you grow your dropshipping business. Here are today's top winning picks you don't want to miss. Let's kick things off with a cozy essential for the colder months. Our first product is women's warm winter fleece leggings, the ultimate blend of style, stretch, and snug comfort. Lined with lamb cashmere and designed with a high stretch fit, these leggings are perfect for winter fitness routines or cozy indoor lounging. The sleek look pairs effortlessly with hoodies or oversized sweaters. It belongs to the niche. Women's winter wear and fitness apparel. Retail at $27.99. Product cost is $5.10. Shipping is around $2.90, which leaves a solid $19.99 profit margin. Market these in winter must-have hauls or cold weather lookbooks. They're a seasonal bestseller waiting to happen. Now let's layer up in something timeless and classy. The woman's woolen long winter coat brings elegance to every wardrobe. With a single-breasted design, lapel collar and deep pockets, it's made for both functionality and fashion. Perfect over leggings, skirts, or jeans, this coat elevates any winter outfit. It falls under the niche women's outerwear and classic winter fashion. You can retail it for $39.99. The product cost is $10.80, shipping around $4.20, leaving a great $24.99 profit. Show it off in city stroll edits or luxury-inspired OOTDs. It's Pinterest-worthy from every angle. Moving on to something soft and stylish for that perfect layered look, our third item is a cozy essential, the women's LooseNIT bat sleeve cardigan. With its oversized lapel, soft knit fabric and relaxed fit, it's the perfect layering piece for fall or winter. Toss it over a tee or wear it buttoned up for a chic, slouchy vibe. It belongs to the niche, women's full layering essentials and casual fashion. You can sell it for $31.99 with a cost of $7.20 and shipping at $2.90, giving you a nice $21.89 profit margin. Perfect for content like layering hacks, winter outfits, or morning routine fashion reels. Next up is something sultry yet comfy. The women's off-shoulder loose knit pullover is made for days when you want to feel relaxed, but still look stylish. The wide neckline adds a flirty touch, while the long sleeves and cozy material make it perfect for chilly evenings. It fits perfectly in the niche, women's casual glam and cozy wear. Retail at $29.99, costs $6.10, ships for around $2.80. So you're looking at a $21.09 profit margin. Great for influencers doing try-ons or stay-in-style at-home videos. This one has that viral TikTok look. Switching from cozy to breezy, this knitted Hollowout beach blouse is made for sunny escapes. Whether worn over a bikini at the beach or styled with shorts for festivals, the breathable design is both fashionable and functional. It belongs to the niche, women's resort wear and summer essentials. You can sell it for $26.99 with a cost of $5.60 and shipping about $2.50, leaving a $18.89 profit. Use it in beachwear try-ons, vacation prep reels, or poolside styling edits. It's giving effortless summer vibes. If you want to private label it and get a cheaper price, you can go to app.bsdropshipping.com. BS offers private label service, no MOQ needed, and their prices are normally cheaper than on AliExpress. This one's for the confident fashionistas. The solid color, slim fit short dress brings clean lines and subtle elegance to the table. Whether it's a date night, brunch, or shopping day, this minimal cheek piece flatters the figure and works with heels or sneakers. It falls under the niche, women's minimalist fashion and daywear. Retail it for $28.99, cost is $6.30, shipping around $2.60, and you're left with $20.09 profit. These dresses go viral on outfit transformation videos. so definitely one for fashion influencers. Time to get moving. These lace-up mesh sneakers are built for movement, from power walks to grocery runs. With a breathable upper, sporty shape and flexible sole, they balance style and comfort seamlessly. It fits in the niche, women's fitness footwear and athleisure. Sell for $32.99, cost is $7.50, shipping about $3.00, giving you $22.49 profit. Highlight them in morning jog montages or gym to street outfit clips. Fitness creators will love them. And finally, for something simple yet sophisticated, these striped pointed toe flats are a must-have for every wardrobe. With their casual silhouette and eye-catching stripes, they're ideal for office days, errands, or weekend brunches. They belong to the niche, women's everyday flats and workwear. Retail at $25.99, cost is $5.30, shipping about $2.50, leaving you $18.19 in profit. Market them in work looks on a budget reels or capsule wardrobe guides. They're a smart staple that sells. And that wraps up today's winning product breakdown. If you're serious about building a dropshipping business that actually makes profit, now is the time to take action. All the products we covered today have great margins, viral potential, and strong niches. The only thing missing is you getting started. Want to make your store live and start selling right away? Check the description. I've dropped a direct link to BS Dropshipping, where you can sign up and access fulfillment and branding services in just a few clicks. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I'll be sharing more high-converting products, supplier hacks, and Shopify growth tips every week. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.